you want to learn English in fun and easy way, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I am Kirti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nowadays we are staying at our home, so it's really important to do something productive. We are engaged in our phone so much, whether it's about attending online classes or doing anything. And I found one app for learning English few days back, and since then I wanted to share it. The name of the app is Cake app. As the name sounds so good, the app is also enjoyable and stress free. The best thing about this app is that it's 100% free. You can download it from Play Store and it's ad free also. Sometimes what happens is that we like watching English movies, but we struggle a lot to understand native speakers, and we can't watch movies without subtitles. And this app has so much good options in it that we can watch our favorite shows, we can watch the videos by removing subtitle, we can add subtitle, we can watch the videos at different speeds, and there are so many much more options, like you can learn vocab, idioms, daily expressions. So in that way it's really amazing. Let me tell you some of the features of this app.
Cake app is so enjoyable and stress-free app. The best thing about this app is that you can set goals that for how much time you want to practice English learning. Like I'm showing you, you can edit the time. You can practice for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 or 60 minutes. Make sure that if you select 10 minutes or 20 minutes, or for how much time you want to learn English, that should be consistent.
How are you so busy?
They will also repeat the key expression again and again so that you can learn the key expression, and you can also try to speak that key expression. There are some sentence puzzles by which you can challenge your listening skills. Like I'm showing you sentence puzzles.
How are you so busy? How are you so busy? How are you so busy? What if I don't know? What if I don't know?
You can also learn idioms and vocabulary. That's really amazing.
In this quick English lesson, you're going to learn the expression to feel under the weather.
And if you don't want to see the subtitles, then you can also hide the subtitles like this.
You're going to learn the expression to feel under the weather.
And you at which speed you want to see, that's also up to you. You want to slow down the speed or you want to increase the speed. It all depends on you.
You're going to
These were some of the features that are available in this app. Apart from this also, there are so many good options that are available in this. You can check them out and download this app, use this app. One more thing that I want to share with you, that it's really good that you understand what native speaker says. Your listening skills are good, but I think that we should never try to speak like them, because we should never be ashamed of our own accent. If we will try to speak like native speakers, they will just not, we will not have confidence like while speaking like them. We can't be that much better like they speak, because our native language is Hindi. Be confident while speaking in your own accent. And I think that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till that, bye.